Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video of this channel. So today in this video we will be solving a problem which is a separate black and white walls leetcode 2938 problem. So let's read the problem statement. So problem is saying that we have given n walls on a table. Each wall has a color black or white. You are given 0 index binary string s length of n where 1 is representing as a white wall and 0 is representing as a 1 is representing as a black wall and 0 is representing as a white wall. So in each step, you can choose two adjacent balls and swap them and return the minimum number of steps to group all the black balls to the right and the white balls to the left. It means all the one should be in right side and all zero should be in left side. So we have to take the minimum number of steps to do this. And swap can be done of two adjacent balls. So let's see this example. If string is 101, so you can see here 1 is representing as a black ball and 0 is representing as a white ball. We have to do such that we have to take the swap such that all zeros should be in left side and all one should be in right side. And swaps can be in adjacent positions. So you can see if I swap uh, zeroth index and one index like 1 and 0, then it will be something like 0 1 1. So s of 0 is 1 and s of 1 is 1. Sorry, s of 1 is 0. So if I swap both the characters, because it's a string, so if I swap both the character, it will be something like 0 1 1. Now you can see all ones are in right side and all zeros are in left side. So minimum number of swaps that can be used here is 1, so we will return 1 here. So you can see this example also. If a string is 100, so what I can do is I can swap 1 and 0, this 0th index and 1th index, so it will be something like 0 1 0. Then again I can swap, so it will be something like 0 1 0 0 1. So it is the required answer. So minimum number of steps is 2. You can see this example also. So here minimum number of steps will be 0 because all ones are in right side and all zeros are in left side already. So no need to do anything. So let's see how we'll solve this problem. So this is the problem here. 0 is white one and 1 is black one. So all 1 should be in right side and all 0 should be in left side. So approach is basically what we'll do. We'll take two variables like black variable. Black will store like how many black balls are there. Black balls required and count which I have to return. So I'll traverse from the back and I'll check like if s of I equals to 0. However, 0 is representing as a white wall. Sorry. 0 is representing as a white wall. So you can see 0 is white one and 1 is black one. If s of I equals to 0, it means I am traversing from the back and the 0 should be in left side. But मैं back से traverse कर रहा हूँ, it means I am traversing from the right side. And if s of I equals to 0, it means I have to change the 0 to 1. So in that case, I will increase black count. And otherwise, if s of I equals to 1, it means 1 is in right position and that is perfect position. So in that case, what I will do, I will simply increase count by black one count. So count plus equals to black count. So let's see this example as equals to 101. If I will traverse from the back, so I will see like if one is there, so one should be in right position. So it is a perfect position. So in that case, what I will do, I will increase count by black count. So count plus equals to black count. Initially black count is 0. So count plus equals to black count will be 0 initially. Now 0 is there. So 0 is there. So in that case, if s of I equals to 0, in that case, I will increase black count. So black count will be now 1. If step 3 is if now you can see 1 is there. So 1 is there. So I'll increase count plus equals to black count. So black count was 1 in starting, like in step 2 we have increased the black count. Now black count is 1. So count plus equals to black count will be 1. So this is the required answer because string khatam ho chuki hai. Now you can see this example or this example. It is same because if this example is there, so all one are in right position. So if s of I equals to 1, we have to increase the count by black count. But black count always zero. So no need to do anything. Finally, count will be zero. But if s equals to this, like it's a string, so I have to do this also. So if I'll traverse from the back and I'll see like if s of I equals to zero, I'll increase the black count. So black count finally will be five, one, two, three, four, five. But here, no need to do anything because one is not there. If one is not there, I'll not increase count. So finally, I have to return the count, but count was initially zero, and no, there is no change in count. So count finally will also be zero. So zero I will return. So let's do the code for this. So code is very simple. Here long log is there, so I will take long log and equals to s dot size and long black equals to 0 and long count is also equals to 0. I'll traverse from the back for int I equals to n minus 1 to I greater than equals to 0 and I minus minus. I am traversing from the back and I am checking like if s of I is equals to 0. Sorry, 0. So you can see I am traversing from the back. So I know if I am traversing from the right side, so the character should be 1, but here the character is 0. So I need black count. So black plus plus, because black is representing as a 1. So 1 should be there, but here 0 is there. So that's why I'm increasing the black count. In else case, sorry, what I will do, I'll increase count by black count. So count it plus equals to black. Else case में क्या आएगा, if s of I equals to 1, so it means I am traversing from the right side and 1 is there, so 1 is there, so no need to do anything. So that's why I am increasing count plus equals to black count. Black count is here, black count is mean like we need 1 in place of 0 of 0, and it means if else case, it means s of I equals to 1, it means 1 is already present there, so no need to do anything. Simply increase count by black count, because black count means मेरे को 0 की जगह 1 चाहिए, but here in else case 1 is already present there, so मैं count में black count जोड़ते जाऊंगा जितने मेरे को यहाँ पर 1 चाहिए. So it means no need to do anything, and simply increase count by black count. So after this I can return count. So let's run and see. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this also. Yeah, it is acceptable. Now you can see, let's discuss about time and space complexity. So you can see time is basically big of n, because I am traversing from the back and I am traversing the full string, the complete string. So the time complexity will be of n and the space complexity will be big of 1, because I am just using the variables here. So it is a good approach. Now let's see constraint also. So constraint are 10 is to power 5, which is good for big of n. So this was the code, and if you find this helpful, then please like, share, subscribe. Bye.